Welcome back to the page, everyone. Today I have another vehicle to showcase, so why don't you join me as I give a quick tour of this 2021 Mazda CX-9 Touring. Painted in glistening snowflake white pearl mica, this mid-sized crossover from Mazda just might tick all the boxes on your wish list. Its 2.5-liter turbocharged engine produces a modest 227 horsepower, but a brawny 310 pound-feet of torque on regular fuel, both of which increase to 250 and 320 respectively on 93 octane. That power is fed through a 6-speed automatic transmission and put to the road by the front wheels, or all four as needed, via the seamless all-wheel drive system. Open up the doors to reveal an unpretentious cabin that greets you with premium materials and excellent fit and finish. Both front occupants are treated to tri-level heated leather seats with power adjustments, including lumbar support. Ergonomics are excellent, with the driver's right hand falling directly to the Mazda Connect infotainment system controller. The second row seat is a 60-40 split bench, and each move fore and aft independently of each other. A 50-50 split third row is standard, but is best reserved for small children or left folded for up to 38.2 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row, which nearly doubles to 71.2 with all seats stowed away. Comfort and convenience features such as remote proximity keyless entry and a power liftgate are in no short supply here, and neither are the safety systems so many buyers want, particularly those with children. Mazda's i-Activsense system includes features like forward collision alert with braking, blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning and lane keep assist, and radar cruise control. The CX-9 has only 27,000 miles and is Russ Darrow certified, giving you some extra peace of mind at no extra cost. For more information or to check out this vehicle, visit russdarrowdirect.com or stop by at your convenience and see it for yourself.